Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I wanted to cover something briefly, and that is how to design your own t-shirts or merch using Canva completely for free. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is log into your Canva account, and then you'll need to select or choose your print-on-demand platforms. So one of them is Merch by Amazon. Another one is Redbubble. So decide which platform you're going to use, and then go to that platform and decide and figure out exactly what kind of dimensions you need. So Merch by Amazon, it's 45 by 54 pixels, 4500 by 5400 pixels. Redbubble, depending on what apparel or other merch you're designing, you'll need to find the dimensions you need. So for example, this one will be 3873 by 4814 for men's graphic t-shirts. And if you get anything that's in inches or pixels and you want to convert it, just Google pixel inches converter, and then type in something in pixels or inches and it will convert for you. Alright, now once you figure that out, go to your Canva account and create design. In our case, today I'm going to go with 5000 by 5000. Something basic. We'll stick with the law firm example that we've been using, and let's use a black background because that's quite a common shirt design. And let's put in some text. We're going to keep it nice and simple today. Let's choose this. Cue the confetti. And well, don't worry, it's kind of small at the moment, but you can always increase the size. You may want to make this a bit bigger actually. And I want it centered. Oh, so that whole thing, I want it centered, a bit closer to the top. The spacing, oh, okay, so don't need to worry about that. Let's call it Jack. That's my name. Or maybe I'll call it Mr. Jack. And I'm gonna call myself a legal eagle. That seems really large, so let's choose something a bit smaller. Okay, that's clearly too small. So let's go for something at 500 perhaps. There we go, 500 is okay. Now I want to take this whole thing down a notch. If you're enjoying this content, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment. And let's continue with this. So perhaps, I'm not quite sure why there's so much space in between, but essentially these are two text boxes that you can group together or you can ungroup, which is what I just did. So here we go, let's group them again. That looks okay to me. Push it a bit further up. And there we go. So obviously choose your own wording, choose your own font style or background, and all you need to do is go to download PNG, and you will need a transparent background. In Canva's case, you'll have to pay for the Canva Pro version, or download the PNG file with the background and go to something like a PNG background remover like Remove BG or online PNG tools, and over here all you have to do, drag and drop your file, and then it will come up with a transparent background format for you. So there we go. That is your Canva design for a t-shirt in under 5 minutes, completely for free. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I will see you in the next video.